Hi, I'm Mark Emily on behalf of ExpertVillage. In this segment, we're going to continue our discussion of ingredients to cover yeast, water, and other adjuncts that you may be adding. Next we have water, which is actually what most of beer is. Most tap water should be fine for brewing extract brews. The one thing I would recommend doing is use a Brita filter or something to remove the chlorine, and otherwise you should be good to go. The final major ingredient is going to be yeast. Now, there are a bunch of different strains of beer yeast out there. There are dry forms, there are liquid forms, some come in these smack packs, some come in tubes. Today, since we're trying to do the most simple version we can, we're going to be working off a dry yeast. In particular, I recommend the Fermentis brand, as they put out some great strains. Some other things that we're going to be adding to our beer later is Irish moss, which is actually a form of seaweed, which is going to help clarify our beer. Sometimes you may actually add an adjunct, which is a non-malt extract of some sort. This in particular is a rice extract. And the last major thing we're going to be adding to our beer is dextrose, or priming sugar, and this will help our bottles carbonate as they age. Thank you. In our next segment, we'll talk about the equipment that you're going to need to start brewing.